delivered my drone, my Mavic Pro, so I'm going to get it now. It's here. Yes. Let's take a look. It's finally here. Yes, finally it's here. The controller. Quick guide. It's so small. Oh, this is the charger. And with the two USB port. Nice. These are the spare blades. See, spare blades. Okay, there's some adapters. This is the front portion. Many small little things that I need to take out. Open up the wings. Okay, and flip open the wings. Can you see? It's a drone. Okay, this is a Mavic Pro in a very fresh condition. You see all the stickers are not taken out yet. So I'm going to remove them one by one. Okay, as you can see, there's a sticker here. Don't need this. Can you see this? And this. Okay, the tricky part is the gimbal because it has holder. Okay, the trick is to pull it out. Okay, pull out this. Okay, the gimbal is free. However, I think there's still some more stickers over here. Why so many stickers? Okay, that's it. Okay, next I need to put in the wings. For the wings, you can see from here there's two different kind, one with the circle, one without the circle, the white circle I mean. So DJI has made it very simple to install. Okay, very simple to install. So what you need to do is to match this white circle and this white propeller. Okay, push it down and turn. That's it. Fix. Next, black and black. Okay, again align the propeller, push it down, and there's only one way to turn. Turn. That's it. That is it. So it's super easy to install the propeller. Once done, okay, let's keep everything in one package. That is it. One more thing. I need to show you how to take out the battery. To take out the battery, press. Can you see? Okay, and this. Putting back